Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to recover a suspended Threads account in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand one thing. Since Threads is linked directly to the Instagram account, most of the suspicions are triggered by any kind of suspicious activity, policy violations, unusual login attempts, or automated behavior detection. So in order to fix it, what you can do is you can just simply open your Instagram application. After that, you can try login into it. Now, if Instagram is restricted or suspended, Threads is not going to work. So fixing Instagram automatically fixes Threads. So if you see a suspicion message, you just have to tap on the option of appeal or request review. Then you need to follow further on-screen instructions, provide accurate details, and appeal for account restoration. So appeals are the primary recovery method that you can try. You can also try to verify your identity if it is prompted. Sometimes Instagram or Threads may request you for the identity verification. So whichever it asks you to verify, whether it is email, phone, or any kind of ID, you just have to simply verify it, and this step also going to restore your Threads account. Now, do not use any kind of VPNs when you are doing it, and if you are using a VPN, automation tools, or third-party applications, just make sure that you don't use it when you are submitting the requests or when you are trying to recover your account. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.